Installation and operation of a single temperature zone PECVD. Unscrew the flange screws. Remove the flange. Place the sample. Use the tool to place the sample in the middle of the cavity. Mounting flange. Tighten the screws. Install the resistance gauge. Tighten the buckle. Connect the air pipe. Tighten the screws. Connect the gas pipe. Tighten the screws. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the buckle. Connect the device to power. Vacuum pump power supply. Turn on the main switch of the device. Power on the device. Turn on the RF power. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Turn on the vacuum pump to start vacuuming. Observe the vacuum value changes. When the vacuum condition is reached, open the gas valve. Adjust the appropriate flow rate. Click to set the power level. For example, 100. Click Start. Cavity glow can be observed. The experiment is completed.